म त्यहाँ लिफ्ट मागेर उभिरहेको थिएँ नि त अनि म कुद्दै कुद्दै एउटा कारमा गएँ सो त्यो कार चाहिँ ट्याक्सी रहेछ अनि त्यो गुरुजी दाइ चाहिँ नेपाली बोल्नु हुँदो रहेछ अनि नेपाली नै प्यासेन्जर पनि हुनुहुन्थ्यो मैले भने म चाहिँ बिना पैसाको यात्री हो मलाई लिफ्ट दिन सक्नुहुन्छ भनेर भने त्यहाँनेरि नेपाली अङ्कल हुनुहुन्थ्यो अनि अर्को गुरुजीले एकछिन सोचेपछि उहाँले अर्को नेपाली दाइलाई सोध्नु हो क्या के गर्ने भनेर भन्नुभयो अनि लिटरली भाइ 30 सेकेन्ड्सको मौन धारणपछि उहाँले भन्नुभयो अर्कोमा आउनु नि अरे क्या अनि मलाई चाहिँ एक्चुअली कस्तो नराम्रो लाग्यो भने किनभनेदेखि अब यहाँ त इन्डिया हो नि त होइन अब उहाँहरू अब नेपाल नै हो बोर्डरमा आवजावत भइरहेको हुन्छ नि त एटलिस्ट अब नेपाल नै रहेछ अब सहयोग लिएर मागिरहेको छ भनेर अलिकति सहयोग गर्ने एउटा हुन्छ नि त इन्सानियत त तर होइन अरे क्या अब त्यस्तै सिचुएसनको कुरा गर्ने भने इन्डिया सरी आफ्नै देश नेपालमै अब इन्डियन दाजुभाइहरूले सहयोग गरिदिइराख्नुहुन्छ तर नो आई एम जस्ट टेलिङ जस्ट बिहेभ अफ बिङ नेपाली सो नेपाली भएर नेपालीकै सहयोग गरिरहेको हुँदैन बट आई रियली फिल ग्रेटफुल एन्ड अलवेज नाइस टु मिट पिपल लाइक हिम राइट हियर उहाँले मलाई लिफ्ट दिनुभएको छ रोकेर सोधेर हेलो सर गुड मर्निङ सर
गुड मर्निङ
क्यान यू प्लिज इन्ट्रोड्युस योरसेल्फ
आई एम सतप्रीत सिंह I work here at State Bank Nanpara.
So what was your first impression like me standing on roadside and asking for lift?
I thought that you must have required lift, and that's why I gave you lift. And your face was little Nepali.
Yeah, true.
I recognized you as Nepali, so I thought you must wanted to go to Rupedia side.
Correct.
Nepalganj or Rupedia. So I thought that I am going to Nanpara, that your journey will be shortened by 100 kilometers. So that's why I gave you lift.
Do you know like what is this concept called traveling by asking lift only?
No, I don't.
Okay, this is called hitchhiking.
Hitchhiking.
Yes, traveling by asking lift only, whether it's bus, bike or whatever, without paying any money, just by humanities, right? Earlier, one Nepali guy stopped and he didn't give me lift, and that's what I was explaining right here. Being Nepali, me being Nepali, standing here and asking for lift, they didn't help. But we have a good people like you who encouraged the traveler who is traveling in seek of humanity. So it's always great.
And that's very good that you are traveling. Everybody should give lift.
You know what's the fact? So that's the public vehicle, right? Their bus, yes. So I could have paid like 100 to 100 rupees and directly go there, right? Yeah, that's not a big issue, correct? But the thing is, I'm exploring to meet people, good people.
That's what you wouldn't have got there.
Yeah, yes. If I have taken this bus, then I would never meet people like you. No, it was never know like how or like what types of society I am living or we are living in. And this is just for the memories, you know. I asked you and you allowed me to record.
So, you are doing very good thing. That is very good. Actually, people should also know in what type of society they are living.
Correct. True.
This message, wherever this message go, they should learn that they should try to help people.
Why do you think we should be good to all human beings or animals?
Because you get satisfaction. The ego, basically the ego or the pleasure you get in helping others, that is the most biggest pleasure in life. You will feel that you'll here and there you'll feel very good. That's what I feel, at least.
How long you have been working as a banker?
I'm working as a banker for 15 years now.
Oh my God! If you have to give one such, it's a government job, right? You are
government
working in SBI. So how did you crack this? Like how hard you worked for?
I completed my graduation in humanities only. I started preparation for UPSC, UPPSC. Then the banking exam came through. I cracked that exam and I joined.
Okay.
Till then,
was it the first attempt?
Yes, it was.
Oh wow! I mean, how was it like for you to perform? Like it was quite easy or like medium type, or you worked really hard for getting this job? Like
cracking the exam. Yeah, no, it was easy.
But you are telling that it's easy because you might have a good ability to remember things, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Otherwise, lots of people struggle so many times and failed, right?
Yes.
Oh, great. Nice. Okay. Nice. यहाँ पे एक्चुअली हाम्रो जस्तै इन्डियामा युपिएससी भन्छ होइन, हाम्रो चाहिँ नेपालमा चाहिँ उयो लोकसेवा भने जस्तै हो कि केटा हो। अब यो चिज त पहिला त मलाई थाहा थिएन। अब डाइरेक्ट लोकसेवामा गयो भने सरकारी जागिर अलिकति आफ्नो एउटा पोजिसनमा पाउँछ नि त। सर, सो यु आर इन वान अफ रेस्पेक्टेड पोजिसन इन एसबिआई, वर्किङ फ्रम लाइक 15 years till now.
Yes.
Me being Nepali, I keep traveling, right?
Yes.
So, is it possible that I can open a bank account here in India on SBI?
If you have worked in India, then only you can open.
So, okay, means I need to have Aadhaar card.
Aadhaar card, yes.
Correct.
If you have Aadhaar card, you can open an account.
So I heard that if I provide my like this passport, citizenship, I can open like this in bank account in Indian banks as well.
Yes, well, most of Nepalis are opening their account through Aadhaar actually. What I
So
feel.
if I visit your branch, then can you help me with opening bank? I have my every IDs like
yes, yes,
passport, this citizenship. I have legit proof.
Okay, okay. Of course, I can open your account.
100%.
If you are having a legitimate address proof.
Yes, yes, yes. I mean, yes, 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 yes. I have everything. Like I am 100% legit. I keep traveling, so it's kind of hard to, you know. I am telling that because Nepali money is like less value, right? And if I have to exchange every time, like they cost me higher amount.
Yes,
so once I have,
it is 1.6, na?
Yes, you know, once I have Indian bank account, then I can link my this YouTube channel AdSense to Indian bank account, and I can receive directly money, this YouTube income money.
I am not sure about things. I will confirm and you can share your mobile number.
So
or other
yeah,
things.
please, if is it possible, then please help me out.
I will confirm and
Okay.
I will confirm.
Sure, sure, and I'll visit your branch with all the documents.
Sure,
And,
sure. You can any day visit.
Thank you so much. Wow. Yeah, man. And I heard that also Nepali people, if they stayed like 182 days more legally here in India by working, and if they have like all the proof and paying bills, you know, or rental agreement or
Yes.
everything, they can also have Aadhaar.
Yes.
Wow. I don't know about the Aadhaar because it's not your faculty, but as you are working in the bank, so I think you
With
can help me.
Aadhaar, many Nepalis are opening account in SBI. That I can confirm.
Yes,
Yes.
true.
Because many Nepalis are working in State Bank as well. One of my friend,
Oh. Eh?
he is posted as clerk in Rupedia branch.
ला नेपालले आधार कार्ड
He's-
बनाएर इन्डियामा काम गर्छ
He's
बैंकमा
yes, he is Nepali.
सरकारी जागिर
He is Nepali. He's actually from Nepalganj. Many Nepalis are in army. They have retired.
करेक्ट
They
करेक्ट
are
आर्मीमा
getting.
त हो
They are getting pension.
सो डु यु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड इभन नेपाली सम नेपाली
Very
थोरै
little.
थोरै।
Very little. Yes.
के छ खबर? खबर के
अच्छा
छ?
अच्छा.
सरी So you are what do you use most, like WhatsApp, Insta, or like this
WhatsApp,
Facebook?
Insta, everything.
Okay,
Facebook.
I'll add you on WhatsApp and we'll be on touch. Okay,
Yes, sure,
please,
sure,
please help me out with this thing.
No, I will surely help you in
Yeah.
India. You want to travel in India as
Yes.
well, na?
Yes, yes, yes.
You'll
After completing
you'll
Nepal,
certainly get many lifts.
yes. You know, even like people wanted to help with like QR scanner, like show me, I'll give you some money. Then I don't have, you know, bank account here, and how do I receive that their donation? You know,
yes, yes.
और इवन लाइक यहाँ इंडिया में भी बहुत सारे लोग देखते हैं ना। अभी तो नेपाली में ब्लॉग बना रहा हूँ क्योंकि नेपाल में यात्रा कर रहा हूँ।
जी।
नेपाल खत्म करने के बाद जब से इंडिया में ट्रैवल करूंगा तो मैं हिंदी में ही ब्लॉग बनाऊंगा।
बिल्कुल।
फिर तो मेरा ऑडियंस भी ज्यादा हो जाएगा। और इफ आई एम सफरिंग फ्रॉम सम फाइनेंशियल इश्यू
हाँ।
और इफ somebody wanted to help me out, then definitely I can like tell that
हाँ।
okay ये मेरा पेटीएम है, तो यहाँ पे आप लोग कुछ मदद कर सकते हो। you know?
Definitely,
Yeah.
definitely. मदद क्या? You can help in exploring world or क्या?
हाँ।
What you cannot do,
Yes,
you
yes.
can see
Yes, yes.
with your eyes.
Correct.
They are helping them.
I just started recording this for us like some short clip, but पूरा interview हो गया यहाँ पे.
Good.
चलो कोई नहीं, it's a good memories and I'll keep this. You know, the best thing is after like this will be a good for like after 5 or 10 years to watch. You know.
Yes. Of
Yes,
course.
भाई हम लोग मिले थे. You know, like this is the conversation we had.
You share this. You
Sure.
You can share.
Sure.
this.
100% I'll share with you. 100%, and I'll keep this footage especially on private or like I'll publish differently as well because मेरा तो कम है यही है सर. मतलब एक यादें earn करना. Yeah. You know, that's what I'm trying to say. Yeah. So guys, let's see. अब आधार कार्ड बनाउनु त अलिकति वो लाग्छ क्या कोही, किनभने त्यो रेन्टल एग्रिमेन्टदेखि लिएर बसेको प्रुफहरूदेखि लिएर हुन त 2 वर्ष भइसक्यो म यता अब इन्डियातिर ट्राभल गर्दै बसेको. सो अब पासपोर्टबाट पनि ऊ के अरे ब्याङ्क एकाउन्ट खुल्छ भनेर भनेको छ. सो भयो, त्योबाट भयो भने भइहाल्यो होइन, उहाँले हेल्प गरिदिन्छु भनेको छ. अनि भएन भनेदेखि अब आधार कार्ड बनाउनेतिर लाग्छु म, किनभने नेपाल सकेर त म इन्डियामै बस्ने हो, इन्डिया नै घुम्ने हो. त्यति भएपछि मलाई यहाँको प्रुफ पनि चाहियो नि त होइन. सो आधार इज नट अ सिटिजनसिप प्रुफ, इट्स जस्ट लाइक एड्रेस प्रुफ अफ एनीवन, राइट? यस. So anyway, sir, I would like to end this conversation right here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for making me part of this.
अरे